Hello and welcome back to Learn Languages. I am so happy to see you again. Today's lesson is one of my favorites. We are going to learn how to make plans with people, how to invite a friend, how to say yes, how to say no politely. These phrases will help you in real life. Let's go. First, let's learn how to invite someone. Imagine you want to go to a cafe with a friend. You can say, "Would you like to get coffee?" Say it with me. Would you like to get coffee? Great. Or you can say, "Do you want to hang out this weekend?" Hang out. This means spend time together in a relaxed way. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Very natural, very common. You can also say, "Are you free on Saturday?" Free. That means you have no other plans. Are you free on Saturday? Or are you free this evening? Practice. Are you free tomorrow? Good. Now let's learn how to suggest an activity. You say, "How about going to the cinema?" Say it. How about going to the cinema? Cinema. That is the movie theater. Another one. What about having lunch together? What about having lunch together? Notice the pattern. How about plus a verb ending in ing? What about plus a verb ending in ing? Let's practice more. How about going for a walk? What about playing tennis? How about cooking dinner at my place? My place. That means my home or apartment. Now let's learn how to accept an invitation. Someone invites you. You are happy. You say yes. Here are some ways to say yes. That sounds great. Say it with energy. That sounds great. Sure, I'd love to. I'd love to. That means I want to do that very much. Sure, I'd love to. Or simply, yes, of course. And count me in. Count me in. This means yes, include me. It is very enthusiastic and friendly. Count me in. Now let's learn how to decline, how to say no politely. It is very important to say no in a kind way. You say, "I'm sorry, I can't make it." Say it. "I'm sorry, I can't make it." Make it. This means be there, attend. "I can't make it this weekend." You can give a reason. "I'm sorry, I can't. I have to work." "I'm sorry, I can't. I already have plans." Already, that means before now, in the past. Or you can suggest another time. "I can't this Saturday. What about Sunday?" That is very polite. Practice. "I'm sorry, I can't make it. Can we do it next week?" Now let's learn how to arrange the details. You said yes. Now you need to plan the where and when. You ask, "Where shall we meet? Shall we?" This is a polite way to make a suggestion. Where shall we meet? We could meet at the coffee shop on Main Street. Or let's meet at the park near the station. This is short for let us. It is very common. Let's meet at 7 o'clock. Let's meet outside the cinema. Practice. Let's meet at the restaurant at 8. You can also ask, "What time works for you?" Say it. What time works for you? Works for you. That means is convenient for you, is possible for you. The answer, 7 works for me. Or I'm free after 6. I'm free after 6. Practice. What time works for you? I'm free after 5. Now let's talk about confirming plans. You want to make sure everything is correct. You say, "So we're meeting at 7 at the cafe, right?" Right? At the end of a sentence, right means, "Is that correct?" The other person says, "That's right." Or, "Yes, that's the plan." Or, "See you there." See you there. That is a friendly way to confirm a meeting. Practice. "So we're meeting on Saturday at noon, right?" That's right. See you there. Let's also learn some useful time expressions. This evening, tonight, tomorrow morning, this weekend, next week, in 2 weeks, on Monday, on Friday evening. Practice using them. Are you free this evening? Can we meet on Friday? What about next week? These small phrases make your English sound very natural. Now let's do a full conversation example. Listen carefully. Person A says, "Are you free this Saturday?" Person B says, "Yes, I think so. What do you have in mind?" What do you have in mind? That means, what are you thinking? What is your idea? Person A says, "How about going to the new Italian restaurant?" Person B says, "That sounds great. What time?" Person A says, "Let's meet at 7." Person B says, "Perfect. See you there." That is a complete, real conversation. Practice it with a friend or say both parts yourself. Let's review the key phrases from today. To invite. Would you like to? To suggest. How about? Or what about? To accept. That sounds great. Or count me in. To decline. I'm sorry, I can't make it. To arrange. Where shall we meet? And what time works for you? To confirm. See you there. These phrases will help you in so many real situations. Thank you for watching today. You are getting better every lesson. I am proud of you. In Part 13, we learn English for work and the office. Very useful for professional life. Please like this video if it helped you, and subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.